Hello and welcome to English Time YouTube channel. Today we will learn 13 easy and useful Urdu to English sentences. So without wasting your important time, let's get started. Number 1. चले शुरू करते हैं. Let's start. Let's start. मैं चलता हूँ. I am leaving. I am leaving. Maybe. Me too. Me too. मैं सुन रहा हूँ. I am listening. I am listening. कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? मैं बहुत मसरूफ हूँ. I am very busy. I am very busy. वो बहुत गुस्सा है. She is very angry. She is very angry. यह मुश्किल नहीं. It is not difficult. It is not difficult. यह राज ही रखना. Keep it a secret. Keep it a secret. मुझे नहीं समझाओ. Don't explain to me. Don't explain to me. मैं बहुत थका हुआ हूँ. I am very tired. I am very tired. मेरी बात लिख लो. Mark my words. Mark my words. इसे कैसे खोलूं? How to open this? How to open this? So thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe for more and interesting videos. Allah Hafiz.